In EVS class, we will do remaining part of chapter 15. Safety first. Safety in school. We should follow some safety rules in school. Number 1. We should not run on the stairs. Number 2. We should not push each other. Number 3. We should walk in a queue. Number 4. We should not stand in front of the swings. Number 5. We should wait for our turn on the slides and swings. We can always be safe if we follow these safety rules in school. Safety on the road. There are traffic lights at crossings which help in preventing accidents. Stop says the red light. Wait says the yellow light. Go says the green light. Some safety rules which we follow on road are: Number 1. We should never play or run on the road. We should always walk on the road with an adult, never alone. Number 3. We should not put our hand out of the window of a moving car or bus. Number 4. We should obey traffic rules and follow the traffic lights. Number 5. We should cross the road safely. Number 6. We should always try to cross the road with an adult. Before crossing the road, we should look towards our right, then left, and then right again. If the road is clear, we walk across. If it is not clear, we should wait for it to be clear. We should always cross the road at a zebra crossing. Do you know, children, why do cars, buses and other vehicles stop if the traffic signal is red? What will happen if people do not follow traffic rules? We should follow traffic rules in order to avoid accident and smooth flow of traffic. Our values. We can always be safe if we follow safety rules at home, in school and on the roads. Let's remember, there are many ways in which we can get hurt. We can save only if we are careful. We need to be careful at home, in school and on the roads. We should cross the road at the zebra crossing. Let's remember some keywords. Safe, not in danger. Danger, a person or thing that may bring harm or trouble. Queue, a line of people. Traffic lights, a set of red, yellow and green lights for controlling traffic on roads. Zebra crossing, a black and white path across a road that is safe to use while crossing the road. Hope you got well with the chapter. Children, revise it again.